Good morning, friends. So today I spotted a good opportunity for long-term as well as short-term investors. Again, I'm saying investors, right? So let's quickly jump into that. So quick disclaimer: we are SEBI registered research analyst. This is not a recommendation for anyone to buy a stock. You should consult your advisor before buying. Proper allocation in a well-balanced portfolio is must. Investing in share market is very risky. We may have significant invested in the stock discussed today. No sales, no marketing, pure knowledge sharing. So sit back and relax. We are Home Financial Services. Our mission is pretty simple. Let's make investing in stocks simple, safe, and affordable for all, irrespective of your age, education, and pocket size. Right. So market is looking to be settled, but I think on the chart point of view, there is a chances of consolidation with bearish bias before we can see a breakout, right? That is my view. So I'm not saying we are eternally bearish and market will fall drastically, but I think we might see a cup and handle formation on a long term basis. So in this particular box we might see some short term consolidation, which also means wherever the market and market leader stocks are right now, we might see a good opportunity for a retracement and buying them at a lower prices, which also means if we wait patiently, we can enter at a lower prices with lower risk, right? So target is pretty good from my side, almost 27 to 28,000. We can see Nifty in next 3 to 6 months, but chances of going it down first and then giving the breakout is higher. So let's see how it plays out. So I have Tata Technologies Limited stocks that I have found. So looks like Tata Technologies is doing pretty good from fundamentals point of view. So we have a very detailed report for this as a part of our research ongoing work. I have almost like 7 to 8 pages of detailed fundamental and technical research report created for this, which is part of our portfolio, which we share with our paid clients. But here I am presenting a summary. So Tata Technologies has consistently tried to move away from a concentrated client base just between Jaguar, Land Rover, and Tata Motors and other affiliations of Tata, now to BMW, Agratas, and other small companies also, where Tata Technologies is providing some concentrated services. In last 2 3 years, Tata has given pretty good financial performance. The profitability and the balance sheet expansion has happened pretty good. They are planning to expand across Europe, across Americas, North Americas, and also into Asian Pacific countries. But this recent tariff issues has given a temporary dent. That's why we see a lot of sell off happening in Tata Technologies, and it is languishing at a very good long term bottom. When I go to the chart, I will show it to you, right? So those who want to invest for long term also, I think Tata Technology is a very good option where you can buy in chunks, buying trenches, and try to accumulate this stock for long term positions, right? There are certain risks also. So client concentration, though they are trying to benefit and improve, but it is still there. So from 75% concentration in Tata companies only, now it has come down to 40%. So 60% of the business is coming from other than Tata and Tata Group. So that is a good sign. Since the earning projections are looking weak in the future earning projection, it appears that stock is overvalued right now. But soon, with 1 or 2 quarters results, I think the re-rating will happen. Okay, so valuation concerns are there at this moment. That's why I want to buy it at a lower prices. But given the major risk has been taken care of, and if we wait for lower prices to enter, both these concerns can be addressed. Correct. So on a weekly chart basis, if you look at it, we are seeing a W pattern formation and breakout. Right, there is an inverted head and shoulder pattern also, and a long term consolidation has also been broken. Correct. So I can clearly see a higher highs being formed and recent high being broken. So it is a classic example of reversal. Bullish reversal is seen. Correct. On daily basis, if you look at it, If you look at these three candles that I have circled, a green, a small red, and then again a big red, if you blend this candle together, so I have this opening and this closing of these 3 days. So I see a big bullish candle. It is preceded by this red candle. So there is a pretty good solid bullish engulfing happened at the bottom, which has given a breakout. Correct? So there is a successful breakout of the bullish engulfing pattern. So for aggressive buyer, somebody can start entering from here itself, but the stop loss will be pretty down. So risk to reward ratio is not favorable. So it is generally 1:1:5 uh, risk to reward ratio if you enter now. But on the contrary, correct? If you enter according to this, you wait for a retracement and you try to enter around 664 level, you can have a very good risk to reward ratio. Correct? So since market sentiments are favoring consolidation and some bearish bias, some retracement is expected, I think this is a good company to wait and enter at the lower prices. If you are an aggressive investor, at this moment you can start entering into a pyramid form like 10%, 20% every fall. You keep adding, that is also one option. But I am a patient investor, right? I want to do my fundamental study and wait for lower risk to reward ratio. So my valuation concerns, other concerns will get adjusted and addressed if I wait for 660, 664 kind of level with a strict stop loss of 800, 630 on closing basis. Let the end day below 630 and close. You might see a spike down, right, because of market volatility. So don't panic, enter into less number, but wait for a proper closure below this inception of new buying. Why I am saying closing basis is because at this level there was a huge sell off, right? Volume was very high, and after that huge sell off, we have seen a huge buying also. So this is a reversal point from institution point of view. So now intraday traders might create a spike, but if delivery volume shows reversal, then only we will exit. I hope that makes sense. So 3 to 6 months, 800, 850 can be a good target. So 1:4.5 is the risk reward ratio that I am targeting. So this is what we do. These are our some of the paid services. We have weekly service where you get some stocks like this every week. So we have one stock of the week which is well researched technically and fundamentally, and you get a proper stock. Then we have a couple of portfolios which are based on certain theme. For our HNI customers having more than 25, 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs kind of portfolio and who want to do well researched, hedged, risk managed portfolio, we have some services for that also. And if you are willing to analyze your portfolio, get it analyzed from the expert point of view, we can help you in that also. Correct? So we try to help you in taking a rationalized decision instead of impulsive decision. If you want to get associated with it with us, you can join our WhatsApp group again. And just quick, we are not YouTubers. We don't make money by your likes and views. But still, if you can like the video, if you like the content, that will help us and keep us motivated. Again, no push. If you like content, then only like the video. All right. So hope that was helpful, and hopefully see you with new stocks soon. Thank you very much.